Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to cover organic chemistry for Class 12. Start by building a strong foundation in basic concepts such as hybridization, bonding, and functional groups. These are the building blocks for understanding more complex topics. Dedicate ample time to mastering EUPAC nomenclature, as correctly naming compounds is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the various reaction types. Recognizing patterns will significantly aid your learning process. Once you grasp the basics, dive into reaction mechanisms. Practice drawing them out step by step to understand the electron flow and intermediate formation. Consistent practice is key. Aim to solve at least 10 problems daily from your textbook or reference materials. This reinforces your understanding and improves problem-solving speed. Also, reviewing previous year's question papers helps identify frequently asked topics and question formats. Focus on understanding isomerism, distinguishing between structural, stereoisomerism, and their subtypes. This often appears in exams. Develop a habit of making short, clear notes for important reactions, their conditions, and specific reagents. These notes will be invaluable for quick revision. Challenge yourself with multi-step synthesis problems. They test your comprehensive understanding and ability to apply multiple concepts. Regular revision is paramount. Go over all named reactions and their mechanisms frequently to keep them fresh in your mind. Don't hesitate to use online resources, such as video lectures or interactive platforms, to clarify any difficult concepts. They can offer different perspectives and explanations. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals. Consistent effort and smart study techniques will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.